The Indian capital Delhi has extended its lockdown for another week as the country set a global record for daily coronavirus infections for a fourth day in a row. Just under 350,000 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India had been shaken by a storm and called on people to get vaccinated. Simon Jones has this report.
Patients continue to arrive at hospitals struggling to breathe, needing urgent treatment. But the health system is close to collapse. Almost 350,000 new cases in the latest daily figures, another record. This man is desperate to find help for his sister in Delhi.
I've been trying non-stop for 3 days from one hospital to another. I've never seen anything so terrible ever in my life.
What's needed above all is oxygen. Patients are dying because it's running out. But these are the scenes inside many hospitals, pushed to their limits. The World Health Organization says the situation in India is a devastating reminder of what coronavirus can do, and doctors are feeling the strain.
It's been 20 years or so I've been into this profession, and I've never seen this kind of a crisis situation, and I hope that nobody else sees it and we never see it again, because the kind of numbers are there, the lack of infrastructure we are facing, the supplies, and the physical stress, because it's a highly contagious illness. So the healthcare workers are also getting infected. So it is acting as a double whammy, as well as having problem from the manpower as well as the supplies. So it is a very, very difficult scenario.
At this plant in the state of Uttar Pradesh, hospital staff are among those queuing up, trying to get supplies of oxygen. The government says it's distributing it to some of the hardest hit areas, using the train and also the plane. The Air Force has been called in to help. Customs duties on imports of medical-grade oxygen have been axed to try to boost the availability. But critics say it's too little, too late. Earlier this year, the government thought it had beaten the virus. With cases falling, vaccines were being exported, and the health minister said India was in the end game of the pandemic. But the emergence of new variants, as well as mass gatherings, has completely changed the picture. The US is promising additional support to India to tackle what it's calling an horrific outbreak. With record numbers of new cases and deaths, there will be many tough days ahead. Simon Jones, BBC News.